Hello everyone, so I'm headed into Dollar Tree hoping to see if they have some new fall or Halloween decor, so we'll go on in and see what's new here together. So the fall items do look a little more bare than the last time I was here. So that's a bit of an indicator that if you see something you like, you better buy it at that time because it doesn't look like it's going to be restocked. These little foam guys were moved over from the other side of the store. These are similar to last year. No, they look like they have burlap, but they don't. And the stickers are quite limited now. They had a ton of stickers before, and now it's just kind of like the cartoony. These are new school supplies. They weren't here last time. Monster High is quite big at Dollar Tree these days. And so Star Wars. I'm finding a lot of Star Wars things at Dollar Tree, so I'm not sure what is going on, but it's kind of nice to see some bigger. See, like even these. They're big coiled notebooks. Really nice quality. The fall floral. These ones are cute too because they have like the little pumpkins attached to them and the acorns. So these are new, and I spotted these a couple weeks ago at a different store. So I'm guessing they're making their rounds. This shelf is completely bare. I'm looking for the foam pumpkins. I love working with these canvases, especially the ones with the little wood frame. These are wonderful for reverse canvas, for arts and crafts. So many things you can do with them. I've shared quite a few DIYs on the channel. Take a look here if there's any of the little wood pumpkins, but I haven't seen any wooden pumpkins at all. These are new. They're painted wood decals. Super cute. Almost like a stamp effect. I really like them. Oh, look at these. Little rainbow and the mermaid with the little tail. Wow, super cute. I shared these in my last shop with me, and I keep looking at them and thinking, should I buy them? Should I pass on them? They're quite large, the stickers, but they're absolutely beautiful with all the details on them. Well, check out these Skittles. This is fantastic. I love it. Has anyone had fun with a package like this? I love that it's like the Pride edition too. M&M packages. I've bought the coconut and the toffee ones. I don't need any more M&Ms. Oh, one of my favorite lipsticks. I have a couple colors from the e.l.f. line now. Can add. Oh, I'm so excited that these are out at the Dollar Tree. What a great value. You cannot beat this. When it comes to makeup, I'm not a huge makeup girl, but when it comes to that, at the e.l.f. products at the Dollar Tree, I get super excited. Wow, these look fantastic. Okay, I have to go through them because these are beautiful for a Christmas, part of a Christmas gift. Gorgeous tea towels, really nice and thick, really large. I gotta go through them. More scrunchies. My daughter has a few of them now. She's right into the scrunchies. So many cute ones. These are nice, and they're very nice quality as well. Really nice and large. I might need to get this one. I like the gray. Oh, I just saw these at Costco in a giant pack. I'd say this is a pretty good value. Yeah, it was this brand. Oh, my favorite cookies. I'm gonna have to resist them. Otherwise I eat them, and the other coconut ones too with the happy swings. So good. These are super cute, but I think that the tops are a little bit too long. You know, like, I just don't think they'll stay on securely. Has anyone tried them? This is a really good find as well. So the rice milk, you would pay quite a bit more, $2.99 I think, at our local grocery stores if they're on sale sometimes. If not, they're a little bit more. Just gonna go down here and see if there's any sponge packs, because I've been looking for a 3-pack forever and haven't found any. I like these clear door hangers. It's kind of nice not to have that visible color hanging over your door. Lots of mosses back in stock for DIYs, along with the little foam beads, which you typically see restocked more around Christmas time. So this is new, and the giant willow wreaths, which is nice to see. A fantastic find here, so I'm going to buy one of these boxes. They're a little more expensive at the grocery store. And I think I'm going to call that a wrap. I hope you guys enjoyed walking through the store with me today. I do look forward to sharing a haul with you guys very soon. Until next time, everyone, thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.